What if changing one feature could change the way you see yourself and the way the world see you? For millions of people, the nose is not just a facial feature. It's a source of insecurity, discomfort, or even breathing difficulties. But what if one decision could restore balance to your face and confidence to your life? Hi, I'm Nimra Haseeb. Today we are going to explore rhinoplasty, what it is, who it is for, and what the procedure actually involves. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of its types, benefits, and whether it could be right for you or not. Often called a nose job, rhinoplasty is both a cosmetic and functional surgery. It can reshape the nose, correct structural deformities, and even improve breathing problems caused by conditions like deviated septum. Rhinoplasty is not just about looks. It's for anyone who feels their nose doesn't match their face, has a crooked or injured nose, has trouble breathing, dealing with structural issues, and want to correct the defect or asymmetry. You might also be wondering whether rhinoplasty can help with the snoring. The answer is yes. If your snoring is caused by the nasal obstruction or blocked airflow, rhinoplasty, sometimes combined with septoplasty, can open up the airway, reduce resistance, and significantly reduce or even eliminate snoring. So what does the procedure actually involve? Depending on your needs, the surgeon may reshape bone or cartilage, refine the nasal tip, strengthen the nasal bridge, or correct internal structure to improve airflow. There are two main surgical approaches. One is open rhinoplasty, which is recommended for complex cases. An incision is made at the base of the nose, giving the surgeon direct visibility into the internal structure, and it is ideal for significant reshaping, structural correction, and revision surgery. And the second one is closed rhinoplasty, which is used for minor refinement. All incisions are made inside the nose, so there are no visible scars, less swelling, and faster recovery. The surgery typically takes between 1 to 3 hours depending on complexity. After surgery, some swelling and bruising are completely normal. Most patients return to their daily routine within 1 to 2 weeks, and full results gradually reveal themselves over a few months. With modern imaging tools, you can even preview potential results before going into the operating room, making the whole process more transparent and reassuring. While queens like Cleopatra relied on artistry and illusion to enhance their beauty, today we have the science to create real, lasting transformation. So if you or someone you know is dealing with breathing difficulties or concerns about nose shape, rhinoplasty could be the right step forward. At MedSurge India, we guide you through every step, from your first consultation all the way to recovery, ensuring a smooth, stress-free experience. And if this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.